Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to retouch this image. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This image was shot in a RAW format, so the camera raw windows automatically open. So first of all, let's do some color grading. So let's begin from the basics. Let's increase the contrast a little bit. 8 is okay. Let's increase the clarity to 5 is okay. Let's dehaze it a little bit. Yeah. Increase the vibrance to 8 is okay. Let's make it 10. Let's decrease the shadows. And increase the whites. Now let's move on to the curves and decrease the shadows and reduce the darks and increase the lights. Let's go to color mixer and increase the orange to 2 is okay. Let's increase the blues. And make sure you click on the saturation. So now let's go to color grading. Let's increase the midtones. I think it's okay for now. So click on open. You can click on this icon to show the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So you can click on open for it to open the image. So now what we are going to do is to remove the blur marks on the skin. So let's pick our patch 2. Let's pick patch 2. So now you circle the stretch, you drag it, circle it, you drag it. You circle, then you drag. Now let's do some frequency separation. So make sure you click on the frequency, press your play button, and then pick your mixer brush tool. The settings are okay. You can adjust the settings depending on the way you like it. So let's start brushing. let's keep on brushing. So now let's speed up a little bit. Okay, now we are done. So let's add curve adjustment layer to it and see. Okay, I think it's okay. So we are done for today. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.